Just don't get your light.
I can pull that up. Blur out the brand address. Tannerite.
So we're gonna go ahead and wrap the Tannerite with tape. Hopefully it'll make it stand out a little bit more, make it easier to shoot. And we're actually gonna put it in this styrofoam box. And then we're just gonna float it in the water like little baby Moses or something. And just hope for the best. Hopefully it doesn't flip over and waste a bunch of Tannerite. Just a bunch of hillbillies. Good gosh, Brandon. I'm gonna have to censor that.
I'm stuck in the mud.
Oh, he's stuck.
Use that log. He's stuck.
I'm stuck. I got water running in my boot. Get in my foot, mother. Oh my god. I'm stuck again.
He's stuck again. Okay.
Put your white shoes on, Bryce.
Oh yeah. Shit. There went my boot. Oh shit. I'm done. God damn it.
Come on, quit playing around. Let's go.
At least boots are meant to do that. I'm wearing running shoes.
I'm done. My feet hurt.
I'm cold, hungry.
My feet hurt.
Oh gosh.
All right, everybody ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Everybody clear?
Yep. Ready.
No boats?
No boats.
Contact. Oh, nice.
I hated cycle one.
Oh, dang on. I thought I had it in there good. There it is. Okay.
Contact.
Contact. Contact.
Oh,
Okay.
it tipped over.
You're good. You're good.
Shoot, shoot.
Other way, Brian. Other side.
I can't see it.
Right there, the red.
Oh, okay.
Left. Oh, it's raining.
Holy shit, look at this.
Oh my god. Oh.
I felt that in my chest so bad.
I forgot how powerful that was.
Get it. Take your time.
Oh, it's raining. So how loud was that?
It was loud, bub. It sounded like a bomb went off.
Really? You went that bad?
Yeah, it was loud. I'm telling you, I was sitting on the toilet and I jumped up.